That thing would break if I did that.
Tell everybody that I did climb it, but I'm not gonna climb.
I'm gonna Photoshop you into here.
No, it's gonna happen.
Spider-Man. Ready? Hello. Thank you. No blogger left behind. Now you're there. There you are. You were blurry at first.
I was blurry. I was blurry.
Jonah Jameson over here with Captain America. Easter egg. Front row seats. Front row. Yeah. You ready to rock?
Wait.
Oh, no glasses yet, huh? This boot scoot boogie. I'm ready for this, guys. I'm ready to rock.
Hello? This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal! With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! I mean, good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here. Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades. That Spider-Man, no good. Red Lantern.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned!
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean Doc Ock?
Yes, of course. Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruders! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for a shock.
Out of the way, they're hot.
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and...
Things are just starting to... You're taking a dive.
Yes, again, Super Spider-Man!
Happy landing!
Whoa.
No!
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Guess that wraps things up.
I got it,
Did all right.
Woo! Yay!
Don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Congratulations, you're heroes. I do it all the time.
Good job, Team Scoop.
Hey, Jonah, stuck up there on top. Sucker. Right, you said Spider-Man's always fun? Yeah, it is.